Alright guys, I'm going to do a quick video with the Go Fast Bits blow-off valves. You can see right there's my switch. The valves are completely open right now. So I'll give you a sound of what it sounds like when you let off the throttle at a high RPM. Close the valve, just push in on the little button and then turn it to the left to close it all the way, and you can adjust it to 0% or 50% of how much percentage you want to recirc. I'm gonna have to turn around up here, so one sec. Alright, so this is with the valve completely closed. I do have Canon intakes. I also have the SSR mid-pipe and ARC grip catback, so you can probably hear those as well. Again, these are the Go Fast Bits Deceptor Pro adjustable blow-off valve with the Mach something. I can't remember the name of the other one, but it recircs the whole time, and one of them is the one that actually vents. I also do not have the trumpets. So this is just the normal blow-off valve without the trumpet installed.